Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is not my usual content. So if you're just here for yung math, language, logic lessons for aptitude exams or yung learning content natin, this is not the video for you. I'll just click a different video here. Ilagay nyo na lang, i-click nyo yung I button here. Ililink ko na lang yung ibang mga lessons. You can watch those instead. This is different. This is just basically an unboxing for yung mga Team Lyqa Japan na nagpapadala sa akin ng stuff. May pinadala na naman silang box na hindi ko alam kung ano yung laman. So, it's going to be a surprise for me too. So, we're going to open it together, see kung ano yung content, something that is interesting. Excited ako. Honestly, I got the package yesterday. Sinubukan daw i-deliver nung Friday, kaya lang we were away. So, nung dinala siya kahapon, nakuha nila Papa. Gustong-gusto ko na siyang buksan. Sinimulan ko na siya actually buksan. Kaya lang naisip ko, i-unbox ko na lang para matuwa rin yung mga nagbigay. Para makita niyo yung reaction. Kasi honestly, every time I get a package from Team Lyqa Japan, parang feeling ko Pasko. Parang ang aga-aga ng Christmas for me. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung makukuha, kung ano yung magiging laman niya. Sabi nila, it's going to be fun daw to make videos of this din. Kasi, kaya parang medyo may onting clue ako. Kasi naalala ko, ang ginawan ko na video, feature na pinadala nila from Japan, was yung Minions na candy dispenser. Ililink ko rin dito sa taas. Ito yun. Yan, medyo nabawasan na siya. Kalahati na yung laman. So, I showed you kung nung in-unbox to at kung paano siya gamitin. And I also unboxed yung Darth Vader na figure. Ilalink ko na rin sa taas. Na ang super, honestly, ang ganda niya. I can't wait na magkaroon ng place para i-display sila lahat. So, yan. Hopefully then, someday soon, kasi mag-1 year na matuloy na yung room makeover na sinasabi ni Mom Gila. Pero dahil wala pang nangyayari, hindi ko alam kung kailan yun mangyayari pa. No? Anyway, so that's what we're going to do today. So, unboxing lang siya. And I'm going to show you the box. Alright? Ito siya. Alright, so this is the box that came yesterday. Tinanggal ko na yung information like my address and stuff. So, i-unbox lang natin siya. Ilalayo ko ng konti yung ating camera para makita ninyo yung laman. Alright, sorry for my medyo makalat na room kasi pag review season hindi talaga ako nakapaglinis masyado. Actually, after ng November 11 exam, probably after ko na rin ito maipopost. Pero after that, siguro mga third week ng November, I'm going to do yung general cleaning ko. Let me know if you want to see kung anong ginagawa ko pag naglilinis ako ng room or nagde-declutter ako ng room. I'd show you what I do then. I usually do that after every review season. Kaya lang this year, na-extend yung review season. Imbis na tapos na tayo ng August, naging November. So, medyo na-late, kaya ganito na itsura ng kwarto ko. So, if you're interested, let me know sa comments para pakita ko yun sa inyo. Ito na yung box. Bubuksan na natin siya. Parang laging nagiging ASMR video yung mga pinapadala ng Team Lyqa Japan. No? Ang nakalagay lang dun sa nakalagay dun sa parang declaration ng laman, 4 items daw to. So, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng items siya. Okay. This is fun. Just looking at the boxes, I know I'm going to be really happy with these. Honestly, kasi I'm a bit of a geek. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, I'm a nerd, a geek, and I am not ashamed about that. So, yung box na to, I think, hindi ko na alam kung paano explain. I'm just really happy about it. So, I'll let you see a peek of it. Ayan. Boxes and boxes and boxes. So, iisa-isain ko yung content. Gosh, I'm really happy. Sorry, sobrang... Christmas came early. November pa lang, Christmas ko na. So, ito yung laman. Isa-isahin natin. Lagay natin sa gilid yan. Papel. Papel lang siya. Papel lang talaga. Para lang siguro hindi maalog yung boxes. Pero here we have 4 boxes. Like sabi dun sa declaration, 4 boxes siya. Isa-isahin natin. Dito sa pinaka-cute na ito. This one right here is, I think, si Rapunzel from Tangled. Isa siyang kuy-kuy na figure or doll. Ang nakalagay, kuy-kuy Disney characters, premium doll Rapunzel from Tangled. So, doll pala siya, apparently. So, this is what the box looks like. Sa harap, sa likod, ganyan siya. So, I think I'm going to I'm going to really like this. Hindi ko muna i-unbox. I probably would unbox this in a separate video. Ito ay unboxing lang ng box. Kasi baka masyadong mahaba yung video. Pero yan, lalagay muna natin siya sa gilid. Dito, sa likod ko. That's the first na box na laman nitong ating Japan box. So, thank you guys for that. Actually, honestly, I feel like this is going to go to my younger sister. Kasi siya talaga yung parang peg niya si Rapunzel. She always sings yung song niya. Hindi ko kakantahin kasi mahihain ako. Pero, yun, I feel na she'd love that more than me. So, I'd ask her if she wants it. If she wants it, I'm going to give it to her. Mabait naman yung mga Team Lyqa Japan. Actually, they ask all the time, kanina niyo po binigay yung ganyan? Sino yung gumagamit? So, katulad nung Marvel watch that they sent, I'll just put a picture right here. Yung Marvel, binigay ko sa kakambal ko kasi Marvel girl din siya and she really rocked that timepiece. Ako naman, ginagamit ko yung Snoopy. So, yan, click ko na lang dyan yung picture. Yung next, this is a Buzz Lightyear action figure din. Yan, Buzz Lightyear. Ito from Toy Story. If you haven't seen Toy Story yet, what are you doing with your life? Actually, honestly, itong series na to ng animation, ng Pixar, tsaka ng Disney, they made me cry mula sa unang video, unang movie hanggang dun sa huling-huli. Yung huling scene where, hindi ko na nga isa-spoil for you guys, pero yung pinaka-huling scene sa huling movie really left me in tears. So, I remember umiyak ako halos hysterically doon sa cinema nung time na pinanood ko yun. Nakakahiya, pero that's what happened. So, ito, si Buzz Lightyear. We're going to unbox it again in a separate video. So, tingnan muna natin yung ibang laman. So, lagyan na muna natin si Buzz dito sa likod. The next figure I feel is going to be really exciting. Honestly, sobrang excited na ako. Nakita ko pa lang yung box. This is Marvel Deadpool na action figure. So, it's smaller than the other boxes, pero from what I can see doon sa cover niya, sobrang detailed niya. Ang sculptor is Takamatsu Seishin. So, ito, may dalawa siyang variants. Merong colored at saka merong black and white. I think ito yung colored kasi colored yung nasa harap. So, we'll find out na lang again in a separate video just to make this video manageably editable. I'm inventing words, no? Medyo sobrang nagpuma-fangirl talaga ako, honestly. I like Deadpool. Medyo guilty pleasure siya sa akin. Hindi ko nire-recommend that you watch, lalo na kung bata ka, no? So, kasi the humor is dark, medyo bastos, medyo violent. Hindi medyo, sobrang violent. But I really love the concept. At saka, wala lang. Ang ano niya kasi, sobrang iba niya sa akin, yung character na yun. Kaya, yun ang draw ni Deadpool sa akin. Honestly, some of my favorite polymer clay pieces, yung mga ginawa ko, kasi if you're not yet familiar with it, I make polymer clay sculptures like the ones dito sa likod. So if we ever do the room tour, you'd see some of my creations. One of yung mga pinaka-favorite ko na pieces that I made ay yung mismatched pair. Kasi I make a lot of mismatched earrings. So meron ako mismatched pair na si Deadpool yung isa, tapos yung isa is yung kanyang gun, o kaya yung kanyang katana, yung kanyang sword. So, I have a friend, si Jana, nasa San Diego na siya ngayon. We met, I gave those to her. Favorite niya kasi si Deadpool. Tapos, seeing her rock those, talagang sobrang, my creator heart really, talagang nag-grow siya ng multiple sizes just watching yung ganun. Kasi, ang itsura niya is ulo dito, tapos yung katana na mahaba dito. So, wala akong enough na lakas ng loob to wear that. So, seeing other people wear it, sobrang gusto ko yun. At saka, yung piece din na yun, marami na akong mga napadalan na people internationally. So, before I made videos sa YouTube, nung nagwo-work pa ako sa corporate company, ang ginagawa ko pag weekends is I make sculptures like that. So, I ship them out internationally. So, binibili nila sa aking Etsy shop. May mga iba nagpapadala sila ng picture na nakasuot sila ng mga from UK or US or other countries. So, sobrang makakatuwa just seeing them enjoy what I made. So, si Deadpool was one of my inspirations doing that. So, yan, yung katana na yan, sobrang familiar sa akin kasi nireplicate ko siya dun sa earring. So, thank you for this, Team Lyqa Japan. Honestly, hindi ko alam what I did to deserve what you do for me and to deserve all of these things. I know na siguro kung ibebenta nyo siya, it will cost money. Lalo na yung shipping, pinapadala nyo siya sa akin. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko siya. And I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You really make me happy. Kasi, honestly, this year, parang since nung unang box na natanggap ko, mga around July yata yun, or August, parang every month halos may dumadating na box ng goodies from you. So, every month parang highlight siya ng buwan ko na may nakukuha akong something from you. Kaya salamat sa surprise na ito. Ito yung susunod. This is Naruto. Honestly, hindi ko na-follow si Naruto kasi medyo naiinis ako sa kanya. Kasi, ewan ko, nung bata ako, di ba, watching Naruto sa Channel 2 pa before, hindi ko siya masyadong na-enjoy. Pero yung younger sister namin, at saka, actually, honestly, I'll give this, I think, dun sa isa naming bunso, si Stan. I know he'll love this kasi he loves Naruto, the series. So, bibigay ko to sa kanya. He'll enjoy it so much more than I will. I think may multiple faces yung Naruto na to. Kasi here you have itong ganitong face, tapos sa backside merong ganitong face. So, feeling ko interchangeable siya. So, I probably would unbox this, give it to him para lang makita niyo siya. So, for the Naruto fans out there, I'll make a video of this just to show you what it looks like. Okay? So, that's it. Those are yung ating 4 boxes galing sa Team Lyqa Japan. So, salamat po ng marami sa mga regalo na to. Yung ibang mga stuffed animals that you sent in, hindi ko na na-unbox. All of those, yung mga ginagather natin, pati yung mga napapanalunan ko sa Tom's World at saka sa Quantum. Kasi pag naglalaro kami magkapatid, that's what we do. We play crane games at saka ticket games. So, lahat po ng mga toys that I collected throughout the year, including yung giant penguin that I got when we went to Enchanted Kingdom, me and my twin sister, those will actually go to a project that we're doing this year. We're going to give those away. So, may permission naman nila na ipapamigay ko yung ibang mga pieces. So, some of the pieces like yung itong minion ko na higanting stuffed toy, hindi ko po siya ipapamigay kasi you said explicitly that this is for me. Tsaka yung ibang Pokemon stuff. Pero the rest, I would give them away and I know you'd appreciate that. We'll give them away to kids soon. So, ipapakita ko, i-vlog ko rin yun sa inyo. So, if any of you guys didn't want to join that project, let me know. I-announce ko kung kailangan natin ng volunteers. I would love for you guys to be there and see kung ano yung mangyayari doon. So, it's actually different pa dun sa library that we're going to build. Probably next year na kasi the year is coming up, matatapos na talaga really fast. So, all of those things, all of your contributions sa ating Hope Fund, those go to those projects. So, I can't wait to show you guys kung ano yung mangyayari doon. So, thank you guys. Thank you Team Lyqa Japan for my goodies. Thank you kasi I keep telling you not to send any more, pero you keep sending me more. And it really just brightens up my day. And it just really pushes me to make even more content for you guys. So, I'll probably unbox some of these on camera soon. So, thanks guys for watching. Yeah, I'm just really happy for you guys. Let me know din pala if you want me to give away some of the things that they gave away. I'll ask for their permission, tapos pagpayag sila, ipapag-giveaway ko rin sa inyo para makakuha rin kayo ng a little something from our team sa Japan. So, thanks guys! That's it! Don't forget to hit like if you like these videos, medyo random. Ano nyo rin siya, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. The next videos will be for yung lessons na sumingit lang ito. And that's it. Never stop learning guys. Aja kaya niyan. I'll see you in my next video and bye for now.